Have you ever wished that there was an easier way of doing something over and over again? Well, it turns out computers are quite good at doing that. Today we'll have a look at Excel, which is a piece of software that can help us handle lots and lots of numbers. Excel is a part of the Office suite made by Microsoft that has a major focus on handling large sets of numbers. Excel is what is referred to as spreadsheet software, and it's not alone. Google and Apple both have their own versions, and there are several others as well. The purpose of a spreadsheet software is to manage, analyze, and visualize data. Excel is used in many professions to help manage big sets of numbers. It's often used by researchers to help track and analyze collected information. Excel is also used by businesses to help manage their sales, costs, and profit. And it's also used by many people to help manage their personal or family budgets. To demonstrate some of the basics with Excel today, I'm going to be using Excel from the Microsoft Office 365 suite. Yours might look a little bit different, but the user interface should be quite similar and will work the same way. Firstly, when we open Excel, we see a lot of templates, many of which are very useful for different purposes and are worth checking out as you get a bit more familiar with how Excel works. Today I will click on Blank Workbook so that we can navigate the typical look of a new workbook. Much like other Microsoft Office software, we have the familiar ribbon at the top with all of the formatting options and controls. We also have the option of choosing different spreadsheets or even making more within our workbook down the bottom. Hopefully you can see the rectangular boxes that make up most of the screen. Each of these is referred to as a cell. Each cell has a reference using letters and numbers. For example, the top left cell's reference is A1. Note that the letter comes first and the number second. Cells are organised vertically into columns, which are labelled by their letters. They're also organised into their numbered rows. To select a whole column or row, just click on the label for that group. If you want to select a group that aren't just a whole row or column, you can click and drag to highlight the cells that you need. We will talk more about how you'll use this in future videos. One of the really great features of Excel is functions and formulas. These operate within a cell to calculate an answer. Let's practice now. To add two numbers, first we click on the cell that we want the answer in. Next, we press the equals key. Starting text in a cell with the equals lets Excel know that you are starting a formula or function. Next, we need to reference the first cell. We can do that by clicking on the cell or just typing the cell's reference value. Now we press the plus symbol. Finally, we reference the second cell to add as we did before and press enter. The cell we were working in should now show the answer to that equation. If we click on the cell, the formula that we used is shown and we can edit this in the top formula bar. In Excel, addition and subtraction use the normal symbols, but multiply uses the star symbol and the divide uses the slash symbol. Try to keep this in mind as you solve some simple problems. There's a lot more to learn with Excel, so take it slow and start simple. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notifications. And if you're a teacher, check out the links in the description for worksheets and lesson plans that go along with this video.